خب بچه‌ها در عین حال ما در گروهی سپیکینگ قرار داریم، یعنی که گروهی گپزنی انگلیسی. در اینجا بچه‌ها 5 ماه 6 ماه خواننده است که یک سال هم خواندگی‌اند. عین حال یک اینترویو میگیریم، سوالای تیار شدنه، سوالای مخصوص هر یک دانشجو 5 6 سوال در یک موضوع مخصوص میتیم گوش میکنیم. خب یوازم جون، your questions will be about speaking, about transport, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
What kind of transport do you know?
I know many kind of transports, for example, car, bus, uh, airplane, and another.
So the next question will be, is transport good for people?
Yeah, it's transport is very good for people.
For example, what kind of transport is good for students in a big city?
In a big city, it's a good for people, for student is a bus, because it's cheap, but it's a very
Comfortable for students, right? Okay. So if you grow up, right, what kind of transport do you want to buy? Do you want to buy an electric car or a fuel car?
I want to buy fuel car.
Why?
Because I don't like electronic car, but fuel car, it's sports car.
It's sport car. So when you drive a car, you want to hear the noise of the car, right? The sound of the car. So what kind of transport is good to travel to another country? Is it better to travel on a train or on a plane?
It's good traveling by plane.
By plane, why?
Because by plane they go fast.
You may reach faster than train, right? But according to the researchers, when you travel by plane, it's not guaranteed 100%, okay?
Yeah.
So the next question, is transport good for people who live in a village?
Sorry?
Is transport good for people who live in a village?
Yeah, transport people who live in a village, it's good because
do they need transport? Of course they need.
Of course they need transport.
What kind of transport, for example?
For example,
car, tractor, bulldozer, right?
Bulldozer and another.
Okay, thank you very much. And imagine 20, 50, 100 years ago, there were no kind of transport, right? How life would look like?
Like 10 or
100 years ago.
100 years ago, the life is very hard.
It was very hard, right?
It was very hard and bad because when they didn't be a transport, their life become bad because
when you wanted to do something, right? Yeah. It was very hard for you, right? When you want to travel to some place, it took a lot of your time, right? Yeah. So thank you very much. خب با دانشجوی دیگر میگذاریم، محمد. و یک چند هفته شده است که خونده استی. خب your questions will be about your friends, okay? Do you have a friend?
Yes, I have a friend.
When you speak, try to speak up, okay? بلندتر گوزه. What's your best friend's name?
My friend?
One of your friends' name. Your friends is Umar, Muhammad. What's your friend's name?
I have many friends.
You have many friends, right? Tell me one of your friends' name. Nom yakcha kanigu.
My friend is Ahmed.
Ahmed, okay. Where is he from?
He's from Iran.
Iran, right? Yeah. Do you talk to him on internet?
No, in Dushanbe.
In Dushanbe? Yeah. He lives in Dushanbe, right? Okay. Do you see him every day?
No.
I don't see every day, okay. Where do you see him?
Yeah.
Where do you see him? Where do you see? In a cafe, in a school, in a restaurant? Where do you see? In a school, okay. Is he your classmate?
Yeah.
He is my classmate, okay. And do you sometimes call him?
Yes.
I sometimes call him, okay. That's nice. And does he speak English or no?
No.
No. Okay. Do you help him to speak English?
Yeah.
I help him.
Don't.
You don't help.
English.
He doesn't speak English, but do you help him to speak English?
You help him speak English.
You help him to speak English, right? Okay, it's nice. And does your friend have a phone?
Yeah.
My friend has
My friend has
a phone. What kind of phone does he have? What kind of phone? iPhone or he has iPhone, right? Thank you very much. Okay. Hope you, Abdurrahman. Your questions will be about shopping, okay? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you like to do shopping? I like to
I
do
like to do
shopping. Where? In the market, in the shops, in the mall, where?
in the shops.
The shops, right? Do you go shopping every day?
Yes, I go shopping every day.
Where do you go shopping to? To the shops, to the street shop, or to the market?
I go to shopping in the street.
Okay, what do you often buy?
I buy a
Drink, bread, water, or something, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you pay by card or do you pay in cash?
I buy
I pay
I pay
in cash. Okay, that's nice. Who does shopping in your family? Your mother, your father, or your brother? Who does shopping? Do you understand my question?
No.
در حال شما کی خرید میکنن؟
I
do shopping
do shopping
in my family. Okay, do you go to market to buy potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, I mean fresh fruits and vegetables? Do you go to the market to buy fruits and vegetables? بازار رفته میوگی و سبزیجات خرید میکنی؟
Yes,
I go shopping to buy fruit and vegetables. That's nice. And do you have? Is shopping interesting?
Yes, shopping interesting.
Shopping is interesting, right? Okay. And do you like shopping in Dushanbe, in Qatar, in Dubai?
I like shopping in Qatar.
In Qatar, okay. Do you speak Arabic language? Do you know Arabic language? No, I don't know.
I don't know
Arabic language. Do you like to learn Arabic language?
Yes, I like learn Arabic
language, right? That's nice. Okay. So do you sometimes go shopping with your mother?
Yes, I sometimes go shopping with your mother.
With my mother. Okay. And do you buy clothing? Do you buy clothing from МУМИНОБОД market or from Club market?
I buy clothes and in
from МУМИНОБОД. Okay. Do you buy clothes every month?
Sometimes
I buy
clothes
every month. That's nice. Thank you very much. Okay. So you, Ehsan. Your questions will be about friendship, okay? Do you know what's friendship? The translation of friendship, it means you have connection with friend, right? Or we will change the topic. Your questions will be about big cities and countryside, okay? Do you like living in a big city or in a village?
I like live in village.
Okay, when you speak, try to speak louder, okay? Speak up. Why do you like living in a village?
Because in the village, I have many friends, and I study in that school.
School, right? Okay. And is village good for people who want to learn different languages? I mean, foreign languages. Can people learn foreign languages in the village?
My mind learn English in that town. Because in the town very
Okay.
Because in the town very much people in the town learn English, Russian, Chinese, and another
languages, right? Okay. If you grow up, do you want to continue living in a big city or to live in a village?
I grow up, I live in the town.
Town, right?
Yes.
You mean not town but big cities, right? Because town can be МУМИНОБОД, right? Can be Kulob, can be Sarband like this, but big cities like Bokhtar, Dushanbe, Khujan like this, okay? And Are people happy in the village?
Yes, in the village, people happy.
People are happy, right? Are there some people who is not happy? Հաստան ու դամը ki խսանդը նաբուշան. Yes, there are many people
There are many people
who is unhappy, right? Yes, it's nice. Thank you very much. And to live in a fresh air and good nature, is city good or village good to live?
It is good nature in the village.
That's nice. Thank you very much. Okay. You, Muhammad Lair, your questions will be about AI. Okay. What is AI? Can you explain what is AI?
Yeah, AI is robot. When the people have a many work, for example, when we cannot do any work, we ask him some question and he answers the question.
Okay. So can AI be replaceable with a lot of kind of jobs in the future?
Yeah, in the future, the AI
Takes a lot of people's
a lot of people's jobs.
job. For example, designer,
designer, teacher,
driver, teacher,
and another.
another. Okay. If you become successful in the future, do you buy robots in your house to help you and to make your life easy?
Yes, when in the future I buy a robot for my house and clean the house, and be our work very easy.
Okay. If you build a company in the future, okay, do you hire robots? For example, if you build a restaurant, do you hire waiter and waitresses, or instead of them you buy a robot?
I buy the robot because the robot is don't be a tired.
Yes, do not get tired, right?
Don't get tired.
Do not ask money, okay?
Yes. And another. It's very cheap for me. Yeah.
For you will be the affordable, right?
Yeah.
Will be affordable, will be cheap, and what else? Is AI dangerous or safe?
AI is very dangerous for people because I think when in the future the AI
Takes
the jobs of people, the people
will be jobless.
Will be jobless and poor and will be dying.
Will be dying, right? Yes. Okay, so AI is dangerous, right? Once the richest man on the planet said, Elon Musk, AI is far more dangerous than nuke, right? A nuke, it's a kind of bomb, right? Which people use it in the World War, right? And when people and when presidents use nuke, right, it can destroy all the entire planet, right? And Elon Musk say AI is far more dangerous because when AI takes people's job, people will be jobless, right? Will be lazy, will be weak, will be depressed, and do not know what to do. And by the end, they will die. Okay. So thank you very much, guys.